Every second, someone in America makes a financial decision they'll regret for years. The clock is ticking. For you, for me, for all of us. Let me ask you this. If you keep doing exactly what you're doing now, where will you be in 5 years? Living your dream life? Or stuck in the same grind, paycheck to paycheck, with nothing to show for it? It's a harsh truth. Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they don't know the rules of the game. But what if I told you that building wealth isn't about earning more? It's about starting smarter. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step roadmap to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start building the life you've always wanted. This isn't about quick hacks or get-rich-quick schemes. This is about real, lasting change. Stay with me to the end. You don't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about where things often go wrong and how we can fix them. Most people aren't broke because they don't work hard. They're broke because they don't know where their money is going. That's the first thing we need to tackle. Step 1. Master your cash flow. Do you know where your money went last month? If you don't, that's the first hole in your financial bucket. Subscriptions you don't use, impulse buys, and dining out more than you realize. It all adds up. Here's the solution. Track every single dollar for 30 days. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, or go old school with a notebook. Trust me, once you see where your money's going, you'll feel more in control. And that's where change starts. The next step is just as important, because now that you've got a handle on your cash flow, it's time to protect yourself against life's unexpected curveballs. Now you know where your money's going, and you've got a clearer picture of what needs fixing. But none of it matters if you don't have a safety net to fall back on when life throws you a curveball. And trust me, life will throw those curveballs. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Imagine this. Your car breaks down tomorrow and the repair costs $1,200. What do? Without savings, most people turn to credit cards, and that's where the debt cycle begins. Start with a simple goal. Save $1,000. Once you hit that, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Don't overcomplicate it. Set aside a small amount each week, and over time, that safety net will grow. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. Now that you've got some cushion between you and financial disaster, it's time to tackle one of the biggest obstacles standing between you and wealth: debt. You've got your cash flow under control, and you're starting to build a safety net. But here's the real villain in your financial journey: debt. And not just any debt, but high-interest debt, the kind that keeps you stuck and prevents you from growing your wealth. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is the biggest wealth killer. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar stolen from your future. The longer you carry it, the longer it'll keep you from building the life you deserve. Here's how to fight back. Use the avalanche method. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the rest. It's not flashy, but it works. With every balance you clear, you'll feel lighter, closer to freedom. Now you're in a stronger financial position, and you've cleared out the debt that was holding you back. But here's the thing. You're still only halfway there. Debt is no longer weighing you down. But to really start building long-term wealth, you need to start making your money work for you. This is where most people fail. They focus so much on saving that they forget the most important thing: investing. Step 4. Start investing early. Imagine this. You invest $50 a month starting at age 25. By 65, that could grow to over $150,000, assuming an 8% annual return. 8% return. That's the power of starting early. If you've been putting this off, today is the day to change that. Start small. S&P 500 index funds, robo-advisors. It's all about the long game. Even if you're starting late, consistency beats perfection. Remember, the best time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Now, you're building wealth, paying down debt, and investing for the future. But let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Where does this roadmap lead? It's not just about money. It's about what money gives you, the freedom to live the life you want. And that freedom, that's priceless. Where does this roadmap lead? It leads to freedom. The freedom to live on your terms, take risks, and dream bigger. But here's the catch. The hardest part isn't following the plan. It's starting. Right now, you have a choice. You can keep doing what you're doing, or you can take the first step toward the life you deserve. If this video sparked even one new idea, hit subscribe.